One day, when sacristan, it was my duty to clean and polish up an old confessional which somebody had given to us. And I thought as I did so, how many souls had been saved through this old little box. Over the centuries, confession was taken very seriously. Absolution was not given automatically. Indeed, in one confessional I used to use at Abadia, the reserved sins were written on it from way back. If a soul refuses to repent, it can go away without the grace of absolution. And that can also be the case of any soul that pushes away grace while it is still offered. Some, on the other hand, were deeply moved just by coming into our church and our liturgy, and they were touched by grace and returned. One even received the grace of a vocation, touched by the beauty in the air, and he is still part of the community. A new confessional, many years old. I clean what shall clean all that in a man and womankind is spread. For yesterday still travels through this grill, and no age can much alter what is here and came this way. I here recall what secrets could be heard but once upon this earth. I hear, and see the liquid sins that in a word did melt and trickle down when grace was near. I see again the beauty of a soul, the ugliness of some, the peace withheld, for that the will was not, and that the whole would still be held a while. For I beheld, here set, 'tween heaven and hell, full foul fair things, for each that knelt I felt, where brimstone clings